Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Travisso community itself. I know I've already done a video on Travisso probably a few years ago, but lots have changed within few years. So this is going to be a brand new Travisso community, what it has to offer, what's coming, what has already happened in Travisso, the lifestyle, the new constructions, which builders, and not only that, we're going to be talking with a sales rep and getting insights on what this community has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started. Travisso is a master plan community in Leander, Texas, located in a beautiful Texas Hill Country. This community is known for luxury homes, scenic views, rolling hills, and a more elevated lifestyle compared to many traditional subdivisions. Homes here range from the 600s to high 2 million and above. So this is definitely a move up and luxury buyer community. Builders in Travisso. Right now, Travisso has homes from award-winning builders including Toll Brothers and Taylor Morrison. Buyers can find floor plans ranging from about 2,000 to over 5,000 square footage, with options from 3 to 6 bedrooms depending on the plan and collection. For Toll Brothers specifically, they offer multiple collections in Travisso, including homes on 50-foot lot, 60-foot lot, 70-foot lot, and even larger 100-foot home sites, depending on the collection. Now you think, where is Travisso? Travisso is located in Leander, Texas, in a scenic hill country just northwest of Austin. One of the biggest reasons buyers love this location is because you get beautiful rolling hills, views, more space compared to central Austin, access to major roads like 183, proximity to shopping, dining, and growing retail. You're close enough to Austin or commuting, but far enough to enjoy quieter lifestyle. Travisso itself has to offer so much more, guys, not just the playgrounds, the parks, the side rails, swimming centers, but much more. It's a community within itself, this lifestyle that it has to offer. They have a life event calendar, which they have activities, pretty much monthly activities. Not just the normal ones, but the cultural-based activities are also brought in within the community. So I'm excited for you guys to see what they have to offer. And if you have any questions about Travisso, guys, just comment below and reach out to me. I'm here to help you guys out. What makes Travisso stand out is the overall lifestyle and community feel. The community was designed to award luxury living, outdoor lifestyle, scenic beauty, family-friendly amenities. As you drive through Travisso, you immediately notice dramatic hill country views, upscale homes, winding roads, elevated terrain, resort-style atmosphere. It honestly feels like a retreat. Now, what about amenities and lifestyle? One of the biggest highlights of Travisso is the amenities. Residents enjoy resort-style pool, fitness center, clubhouse and event space, tennis courts, pickleball courts, mile of hiking and biking trails, parks and playgrounds. There's also a strong sense of community here with neighborhood events, food trucks, seasonal gathering. It's designed for people who want more than just a house. They want a lifestyle. Home builders. Travisso features homes with several respected builders, including luxury and semi-custom options. You'll find spacious floor plans, modern finishes, large windows with hill country views, open concept designs, outdoor living spaces. Homes here range from move-up homes, luxury homes, large estate-style properties. A lot of buyers are drawn to Travisso because of the architecture and elevated lot options. Schools and buyers appeal for families. Travisso is located within the Leander Independent School District, which is a major draw for many buyers relocating to the area. This community is popular with families, professionals, relocation buyers, luxury home buyers, buyers wanting more outdoor lifestyle. What buyers should know? If you're considering buying in Travisso, here are a few things you should know. Some homes have premium lots because of views and elevation. Property taxes and HOA fees vary, so always review the full monthly payment. Terrain and elevation can impact driveway, slope, and backyard usability. Inventory can move quickly because of demand. And one thing I always recommend, visit the community at different times of the day, morning, evening, and weekends. It helps you really understand the lifestyle and the traffic flow. Why people love Travisso? What really makes Travisso special is the feeling you get living here. You have the incredible sunsets, hill country scenery, luxury homes, outdoor lifestyle, and a community atmosphere. It's one of those communities where buyers walk in immediately picture themselves living here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in a master plan community called Travisso right here in Leander, Texas, and we are standing in a beautiful model home with James, who's a sales rep with Taylor Morrison. We're going to talk about Travisso, what it has to offer, what's coming. So James, I just want to say thank you for taking the time and letting our viewers know a little bit about Travisso, a little bit about the builder and what is coming. So please introduce yourself.
Of course. Hi, my name is James. I'm with one of the community sales managers here in Travisso for Taylor Morrison. Been out here for several years and been with the company for about 12. So excited to share with y'all what we have going on out here today.
James, tell us about the home prices in Travisso. What is Taylor Morrison offering right now?
Okay, so we have a wide range that we're offering here, starting it's around in the 600s, going all the way up to the mid 1 million. So we've got a lot of different offers and a lot of choices you can choose in between.
And what about the square footage?
So square footages are going to range from starting in the mid 2000s, so 2,500-ish, up into the Catalina, which is 5,000 plus.
Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Now, does it have options for them to do selections or to change any of it if they wanted to? There's two ways, right? Inventory homes, they cannot. Building from a lot, they can.
Correct.
Right? How much can they change? Can they change any of the structure or no?
So we have preset structural options. So
okay.
We have a wide range of structural options that can be picked. The good news is a lot of them are now coming in the floor plans. So we released new floor plans. A lot of those structural options you're already getting in the base price. But there is a few that can be added, like certain rooms can be added and different things like that. So
okay.
Other than that, the design elements, building from the ground up, you get to select all your design elements from the flooring to the cabinets to the countertops and make the home truly your own.
And I heard that there's going to be lots of new lots opening up pretty soon. Tell us about that.
We have new lots opening up later this month. So it's perfect time for you to come. These lots are the ones that everyone's been asking for with the big views. Mm-hmm. Up on a hilltop plateau, views for many miles. And so there's a lot of people waiting and we're super excited to get them.
How big are the lots?
So the different lot sizes are going to range from our 60-foot wide lots to our 70-foot wide lots and even our 80-foot wide lots.
Oh my gosh. And now is there a waiting list or how are you guys handling it if they wanted to inquire about it?
There is a waiting list, but once we release, it's first come, first sign. So it's whoever's there and buys the lot first is going to get it.
And now do they have to be pre-approved through your lender or can they do it outside and then still get onto the list?
So pre-approved for our lender for the sale and then you can choose which lender you want to close with, but do need to get pre-approved with our lender for the initial sale.
Yeah, so do remember, even though if you have a pre-approval, you still need to get a pre-approval from their lender to at least go under contract, correct?
That's correct.
What about the amenities? What does this community has to offer?
Oh, amazing amenities. So we have our amenity center that is going to have a resort style pool. It's going to have tennis courts. It's going to have a full fitness center that's fully stocked and so you can get your workout in. It's going to have an indoor rentable space, outdoor rentable space. We just opened a brand new amenity center called the Palazzo to be our second amenity center last summer. That one's also going to have a resort style pool. There's a basketball court and also a yoga studio inside that one. So
oh my gosh. So what is the HOA fees? Do you know about that?
It's $90 a month and those are paid quarterly.
Perfect. And the tax rate, that's a big one here.
Tax rate's 2.5.
Okay. Not too bad, I guess, for a new construction. What else do the buyers need to know about new construction here? We got the tax rate, we got the HOA, anything else I need to consider?
So I think that, just knowing that Travisso is a great community, you have tons of options. We can fit something in for whatever you're looking for. And with Taylor Morrison, we make it really simple to come in and find your house, pick your lot, and, just make the house your own.
What do you say about having a realtor present?
We love working with realtors.
Okay. Do you recommend that?
Absolutely. The realtor's going to know, what you're looking for and help you pair in the most efficient way. So we definitely love working with realtors out here.
Okay. And I think that wraps up a little bit about Travisso. Anything else? Schools. Let's talk about schools.
Leander ISD.
Okay.
So we have, awesome school district here. And, schools have been great for us here.
Is it just one school that everybody goes in that are in the Travisso area, or do you know how many elementaries are there?
There's one.
Only one?
So there's one. There's one elementary, one middle school, and high school.
The Travisso has been building for how many years so far?
So we've been here for about 10 years. We opened up, 2015, I think was our first sale. And so we've been building here a long time, but we're not finished yet. We still have several years ahead of us. So
oh my God,
more lots to come and more building homes to come.
So how many homes are there going to be? A rough estimate, do you know?
A little bit under 3,000 homes.
In the whole Travisso, once it's all completed, done.
Correct.
Wow. And the Travisso itself, guys, has a community amenity itself. I think they have a calendar event too for the families, right?
So great point. So we have a lifestyle director. So as part of your HOA here, you have a full lifestyle director that's going to put on, several events throughout the year. They do clubs and things for the residents to get involved with. So moving into Travisso, all the residents we have love how easy it is to get connected and show up to those events and meet families that are around here, because we have new families moving in here all the time.
Yep. Well, I appreciate you. Thank you for sharing helpful insight about Travisso from one and only sales reps who's been here for several years and he knows what's happening. So I really wanted you to come out here and talk to my community, the buyers, the viewers, learning about moving to Austin, Texas, and what Travisso has to offer. So I appreciate you. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you for coming out.
If you're thinking about moving to Leander or exploring luxury communities near Austin, Travisso is definitely worth considering. If you'd like a private tour or want help comparing builders and floor plans, feel free to reach out and leave your questions in the comments below. There you guys have it, Travisso and what this community has to offer. If you got some valuable information, just a little bit, go ahead and press that subscribe button because it is free valuable information. This is Rima, your Austin local realtor, just helping you guys get a little bit of information about Austin and real estate. So I just want to say thank you for watching and I will see you next time.